Hello YouTube, this is KJ Morgan here giving you another video. Today we'll be talking about the iPhone X Gigabyte. This is an iPhone X 256 gigabyte unlocked, and I'm gonna be doing another giveaway. I did a giveaway back in I forgot when it was, but it was a couple months ago, and I gave out an iPhone to the giveaway winner. I made the video about it, and I liked all the positive feedback that I have gotten from that. And how everyone is being awesome, and everybody wanted another giveaway, so here it is. Here is the new and approved iPhone X giveaway. I can't wait. This is a 256 gigabyte silver. Again, all you have to do, the same rules apply as last time, which is like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. The big one is subscribing to the channel so I can run it through the generator, and it can make sure it picks whoever it is that won. I will be going to see if you did like, and I can look up on YouTube if you commented on the video. So thank you so much for all the love and support I have gotten from you guys. Can't wait. You might be the one who owns this new iPhone 10, and let me show you, it still has the plastic seal on it. So yeah, can't wait for that. I'm gonna add a gameplay video that I have made into the end of this video, well, right after this, so you can see that if you want to check it out. This is a gaming channel as well as an unboxing channel. I will be getting another one of these to do one more unboxing before the new iPhone comes out in September, and I might be doing a giveaway with that one as well. So make sure you stay subscribed to the channel even after the giveaway. Make sure you comment and like, again, like I said on this video. And yeah, share it with your friends, see if they can get it or you can get it, you know? Anyway, check out this video.
Oh, okay, I'm Jaeger. I was about to say, huh? And my Legion that I didn't put out, thank God Michael lose.
I'm gonna put my pizza in the stove. Oh. Damn, that's hot.
Where they at?
They did. They all outside.
Frank, you did.
Sure am. Michael. Oh, no. There's a camera coming. Get a drone. Michael, I hope you're paying attention. It's a drone here.
Michael's lost in La La Land.
Yep. He out here reading the manga. Thanks, Kevin.
Oh yeah, you got me, Gideon, Antonio, and Eamon talking about My Hero Academia on the bus. Fuck. I heard one shush, and then I heard another shush that sounded like it came from somebody else. Okay, look, stop, both of you.
Oh my god, am I gonna get an ace?
Somebody say it.
Take his ace.
Stop! Please don't, let me just try. Stop! No! Please stop! Please, you guys would not do it. Yes! Yes! I got an ace! Oh my god! I felt it. I was like, oh my gosh, somebody touched Kavira. Somebody hovered over Kavira. I felt it. I'm not. Stop! I'm not. Oh my god! My head hurts. My head hurts. I'm like so irritated right now. Like I have so many mixed emotions right now. I just cannot hand. You eat a rock. Okay, I can.
Damn it!
Oh, this is a great match. Okay, you're last alive.
Yeah, I am the last alive. He's not. I'm not getting him. I don't care. He deserves to die for what he did.
But he's going to team kill you next round. He's
Oh
alone. He's
my
alone. You good?
gosh. Everybody always wants me to be the nice person.
He shoots you as soon as he gets back.
Everybody always wants me to be the nice person.
See, if you didn't pick him up, you wouldn't have gotten that kill.
I don't want to see.
Ooh.
Down to
Funny,
one
right?
friendly. 4 last operators standing.
Ooh.
Nice.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna start reading keyboards now.
Oh, he's good. Trust me.
I just need to find out what chapter it is again. Like Serena's dad.
He reminds me of Sai. I hate him, but he's not my favorite character.
Hey, he looks like a cooler version of Sai. They're both really like active. But
Casper the Ghost.
I like
Stop! I will kill you!
Oh my! Oh my gosh, dude. This Kavira is so trash. My gosh, dude. KJ. Good job. KJ! Go ahead, they can go. Pull out your. They didn't shoot you from behind, they shot you from the front! KJ! Still got it.
Oh my gosh, hey guys, I'm sorry. I was like trying to eat a quesadilla. I was trying to eat a quesadilla, I'm sorry.
Why are you eating of all times now?
Because it's so tasty.
That's not a reason to eat.
Okay, I'm stress eating, okay?
Be careful, because that's a Chanco's probably watching.
Oh.
He's watching, I'm pretty sure.
But where? And why do you keep going through that way, knowing that they keep doing the same tactic, but you can't get in? Oh my gosh, dude.
I can't get in the crawl. I don't want to.
Why don't you drone the entire room?
Because I know they're in the train, Jaden.
You know or you think?
Watch them not.
I know, that's what I'm saying. Like, you know or you think?
15
What was the point
seconds
of
left.
doing that if our teammates already in there?
Friendly last operator standing.
Oh, that's
Op
a
4
train,
last
that's a
stop
train.
standing.
Sorry,
Hey.
that wrong.
5 seconds. Resume securing.
No, yes! Yay!
Can't hide from
Please
me.
get it. Gotcha. Yes! Gosh.
Oh, Vigil's on the floor with us.
Yeah. I also thought I heard a chick talking like it was Cal.
Yeah, I thought so too. Might have been one of them.
I'm glad you heard that too.
Yeah,
It could
so
have
it's
been like some voice in the building, but
Shots being fired real close to my position.
something's going on real close to us. Definitely. from your right. Watch your right.
Yeah, I'm gonna step in the doorway here to cover my flank.
And I'm dead, aren't I? I'm not.
Michael, I love how we kept going like to the left and it kept joining up with us. Like, go away.
Oh,
Op 4 found the biohazard
Austin,
container.
Austin, Alex,
One op four
and
remaining.
Austin, and Alex. So like whenever we would walk one way,
I went to go find Frank, but I was like,
yeah,
wait, can we
I
even
would
cross
go
the
find
road?
Frank.
Op 4 eliminated. Mission successful.
Oh my gosh, you guys should have seen this. I was
Yeah, we saw
literally.
you get beat up, KJ, by a female.
That's not what I'm. Oh my god.
Yeah, how do you get room across?
Twitch is on the stairs.
Blackbeard
Yeah.
could have killed me, but he like knifed.
Have any impact grenades, or does anybody have impact grenades that they can use?
I'm too far away.
Like, can you throw one like at the top part of this wall?
Across from you. Get rid. Ash is peeking right there.
Okay,
Ash
got
is
it.
back in. Ibana and Ash are in the room across.
Dude, aren't my cameras helpful?
Yep. At least that one. Alright, KJ, if you go up here, give him across from objective, just Ash and Ibana.
Okay.
Oh, dude, I got super lucky with that one. Ash is at the end of the hallway.
Got her.
Alright then, you was gay for that. You was gay for that. That's why I'm not even there anymore. Why you dead, Mirror?
Oh my gosh!
Oh my!
Kabir-
Oh my God!
Oh my!
Michael! KJ killed a teammate and Kabir took out him and the other teammate. We're gonna lose.
Oh. Come on, come on. Come on. Ugh, shoot. Just one more person for me. Where's Tachanka?
Fifteen seconds left. 10 seconds. 5 seconds remaining. 4 remaining. Hostage secured. Initiate extraction.
Move out quick!
Hostage
Yes!
armed.
Oh my gosh! Oh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! It was a 1v5, broke down into a 1v3. Oh my gosh! Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Have a good night.